Kakaasa ang ating mga teachers and government employees ng salary increase?
Yes, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, distinguished sponsor. So dun sa huling interpellation natin doon sa briefing ng DBCC, binanggit ng DBM about the study of the compensation and position classification system. At sinasabi nila na na undergoing yung procurement, and they said they are able to provide they will be able to provide results of the study by October. Mangyayari ba ito, Madam Speaker? Tama ba ito o hindi?
Madam Speaker, unfortunately, nagkaroon ng failure sa bidding, and therefore, magkakaroon po ng negotiated procurement, in which case, magkakaroon po ng kaunting delay sa ating pag-aaral.
So, sinasabi din ng DBM, Madam Speaker, na yung salary increase ay magaganap. And siyempre, mag-a-approve tayo ng budget before 2024. So, kailangan ma-reflect na doon. So, kung magkakaroon ng delay ng procurement na ito, kasi October, ngayon ay September, ngayon po ay September 19. October yung inaasahan nating result ng study. At magkakaroon ng so November, December, maipapasa na yung batas or hopefully yung GAA 2024. So maihabol ba ito doon sa 2024 budget? Kasi ang sagot kanina, magkakaroon talaga ng salary increase. Pero nakadepende, Madam Speaker, ang salary increase doon sa binanggit kong study kanina. So do you think magkakaroon pa kayo ng enough time on our dito sa budget natin, sa seasonal budget natin, on budget season, para ma-effect yung sinasabing salary increase?
If ever naman po na magkaroon ng delay, pwede naman pong gawing retroactive. So, meron naman pong commitment na makukuha po nila ang buong salary increase na prinamis po sa kanila.
Okay, so ilang buwan natin makikita yung delay? May araw ba? May weeks yung delay ng procurement ng study?
Kapag matuloy po ang negotiated procurement po by October, by December po natin makukuha ang results ng pag-aaral. Madam Speaker.
So may habol pa natin yan?
Tama po,
budget.
Madam Speaker.
Okay, thank you. So yun lang yung gusto natin. So may binanggit na 16.95 billion and another 70 billion na manggagaling sa 93.9 billion. At binanggit din ng DBM last time, Madam Speaker, na itong 16.9 billion is from salary adjustment at itong 70 billion ay from personal benefit. So, do you agree on that? Tama po ba? Ito yung panggagalingan noong pinopropose nating salary increase.
Tama po. Tama po.
Okay, thank you, Madam Speaker. So, so yun, okay na po, baka pwede pa rin magkaroon ng other sources of income or other sources for salary increase. Well, itong 93.9 billion na binabanggit natin kanina, nanggaling din naman ito doon sa NEP. Ano po ba ang composition nitong 93.9 billion? Maliban doon sa 70 billion from 93.9 billion. Marami po
So the
akong
funding
tanong.
requirements. So ang tanong po is, ano ang funding requirements for the 93.8 billion?
Madam Speaker, binanggit kasi noong nakaraang budget briefing sa DBCC, merong 93.9 billion. Dito manggagaling yung sinasabi natin na binanggit din ng DBM na 70 billion personnel benefits. So ano pa po ba yung other 23.9 billion? Kasama ba ito doon sa pwedeng ma-earmark for salary increase?
Okay, so ito po ang breakdown. Ang increase in uniform and ano yung CA? Clothing allowance is 1.368 billion. An increase in RATA is 619 million. Ang staffing modifications and upgrading of salaries is 3.98 billion. Ang salary adjustment and other compensation is 87.9 billion. So the total is 93.89 billion.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Speaker and distinguished sponsor. So nakuha na natin yung 93.9 billion. So malinaw, Madam Speaker, na meron doong increase ng rata kasi yan din yung gusto sa atin ng gusto po ng mga education support personnel, especially yung mga principals at saka yung mga supervisors. 3.98 billion na earmark for other benefits. At ang mahalaga, Madam Speaker, at ito po ay ikinatutuwa ng representasyong ito na magkakaroon ng increase na 1,000 doon sa clothing allowance. Dito po ako natutuwa, no? Aside from merong nilalaang budget ang DBM para sa salary increase na more or less 8%, ay nadagdagan pa yung uniform and clothing allowance ng 1,000. So ang ibig sabihin, Madam Speaker, from 6,000 pesos na clothing and uniform allowance, based on Section 54 of our NEP, ay magiging 7,000 na ito.